Okay, a quick tutorial on using this hot tub. We usually leave it in economy mode in about 80-85 degrees, but to get it going for your purposes, you're going to want to turn it into standard mode, and then these buttons will take the temperature where you want it, so give it a little bit of time to warm up. This button is the jets, and sometimes it'll come on because it's doing its standard thing, and it'll automatically turn that off. If you want a little extra boost from your jets, you hit this dial here. You can see, turn it up a little bit, and it gives you a little extra on your jets. And then if you want some light in here, you hit this button right here, and you can see that the light comes on, and it will actually go down a few if you want to. So that's it. It's super fun, super enjoyable, great way to hang out. Hope you all enjoy it.